Hi, happy Nurses Week. This is today's second challenge of Nurses Week, taking some time to get that extra drink of water and intentionally have a healthy, nutritious snack while you're away from your work environment. These are basic human needs that often get looked when we are working so hard during our shifts. I have a nice big glass of water, so try drinking an extra glass of water. And then for my healthy snacks, I have some celery, mandarin oranges, carrots, and sunflower seed butter. The sunflower seed butter is going to give us vitamin E and healthy fats and magnesium. The celery provides us with vitamins A, K, and C, potassium, and folate. The carrots give me fiber and helps with my vision, and they also boost my immune system. The mandarin oranges will give me vitamin C and help my digestion. Happy Nurses Week. See you tomorrow for the next challenge.